Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today I'm going to go over how to add text to your video. Now you might see this in a couple of music videos, short films, whatever it is. I'm going to show you how to add the basic text to a video in Adobe Premiere Pro, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Jack.F, I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor. Now if you like what you see here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out some of my other videos that'll help you become a better videographer and video editor. And I've also left timestamps in the comments in the description below for your viewing pleasure. So if you want to skip to a certain part, there you go. And it's on all of my other videos, so if you want to skip to it, go right ahead. So, how to add a text, any text, to a video. So, jump straight into it. As we see here, I have my own little project open. And this is the previous video that I did, so you can check it out up there, shameless plug. So as we see here, we've got my lovely face. And if we come down to the bottom left hand corner of the timeline, we're going to see that there's this little T. Click this and it's going to type, and it's going to say type tool. Or as a shortcut, you can hit T. If we go back to this and we hit T, it automatically goes to it. If we hover over the preview panel, we can click anywhere and it's going to create a little box down here, and this is going to be our text box. So let's just type Jack is awesome, and which I am. So what we're going to do, we can do anything with this. We can resize it, we can make it big, so make it big, bold, and we can also rearrange this on the timeline. So if we want, say we wanted to start at 3 minutes, round and about 3 minutes, right about there, and we wanted to start from about 2:45, go to it, we'll just get that on, we'll go to it, it'll come on for that amount of time. There you go, and it's going to go away soon. Right, 3 minutes, there you go. And that's how you can do it. And if you want to edit the actual text and resize it, get the gap between them, what you want to come and do is come up to the top left hand corner up here where it says effect controls. Make sure you've got the text, the actual text box on the timeline selected. Come up to effect controls and come down to where it says text and hit this little arrow and expand the panel. And then as we can see here, if we hit the T again and select all of it and come down to the font, we can change the font to whatever we want. Now what I do, as you can probably tell from my channel, is I use big noodle titling, and that you might see that before, it'll be on the thumbnail, big noodle titling, and that's just the way to change the font. You can also change the size of the font as well, what size you want it to be, if you want it to be really small, if you want it to be really big, whatever you want to do, you can do it here. And you can also change the spacing between that VA, that's going to create gaps in between your letters. So if you want to really like a cinematic opening, really far away, or if you want it to be really, really cramped like that, depending on what you want to do, it's up to you. And just as a bit of a tip, what you can do is, if we just change this down to 100 real quick, what you can do, you come over to graphics in the top panel of Adobe Premiere Pro and hit graphics. And if you want to center your text on the X and Y axis, what you can do, come over to edit, make sure you got your little clip selected, come over to edit, and you see the align and transform. What we're looking for is this vertical center. It's going to center it vertically, so if we put it down to the bottom left, I want to put it in the vertical center, click that and it's going to snap it to the center. And if you want it to be on the horizontal center, just click horizontal, and there you go, you've got a nice centered text. But one thing you've got to watch out from, if you decrease or increase the text size, you want to make sure that you've got it in the center, because it's going to alter where it is on the video. Anyway guys, that's just a quick little tutorial on how to resize and add the text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you get some value out of this. I know a lot of people have been watching my this video basically that I posted last week, COVID tips, some really good information. I've had quite a lot of feedback, and that means a lot to me guys, thank you so much. And yeah, if you want to see any more videos like this on the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications every time we upload. And if you want the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro, check that video up there. It goes over all the basics, how to import your clips, how to edit your basic stuff, how to export it, and then do whatever you want with it. Anyway guys, this has been Jack.F, and I'll see you on the next video.